Here we have a ThyssenKrupp elevator. And look, it's like we're back in America. We got ThyssenKrupp with Mad BS. Oh, I thought it was broken for a second. The button did light up, but the car's cold, so. It is so cold, guys. Oh, it smells like someone took a piddle in here. It really is like I'm back in the States. Mad BS on a ThyssenKrupp in the elevators that smell like pee. Ah, home sweet home. And it's blue too. This really is American. Anyway, ThyssenKrupp, 1950 kilograms. Door buttons do not light up. Call recognition. And it's got a smooth door sill. Anyway, there goes the PP Vader. Goodbye, PP Vader.